Welcome to Moji Style.
Hi everyone and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video I have two beautiful and inexpensive fall DIY for you guys. So if you want to see how I made them, just keep watching. So for the centerpiece, I'll be using this as my base. I made this in a previous DIY, so if you want to see how that is done, I will leave a card up here for you. So this is going to be the base of our centerpiece, and I'll leave a link of all the items that I used in the description box. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my hot glue onto my foam blocks, and I'm using 2 of the large foam blocks and 2 of the smaller ones. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and place my pumpkins onto my foam blocks. I'm using 2 of the white and 2 of the brown. I will be removing the stem because it just didn't go with my style. These are from the Dollar Tree actually. They're really nice. They do have different colors, but I really like the white and the brown. So for the stem, I'll be replacing it with a doorknob that I already have. So all I'm doing here is just applying hot glue to that, and I'm placing that right at the top of my pumpkin. So now that that is done, next I'll be applying hot glue onto the bottom of that pumpkin, and we are just going to go ahead and place that onto that foam block. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same step for all 4 of them. And here are the flowers that I'll be using here. I'll be using 4 of each. And I'll be using this pinecone picks that's from Michael's. It's 99 cents, but they have it for 50% off. So it's definitely a great buy. So I'm using 3 of them. So I'm just going to go ahead and place that between the white and the brown. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start placing my flowers. At first, I removed the flowers completely, but I think it's better to just go ahead and cut it. It holds better that way. So that is what I'll be doing for the rest of my flowers. So I'm using 2 of each. So I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same steps for the front part of this centerpiece. So all I'm doing again is putting 2 of each of the flowers to the front part of my centerpiece. Next, I'll be turning this around to repeat the same steps onto the back of the centerpiece. So this is basically what we did for the front. I'm putting 2 of each, and right there in the middle where the pine cone is, I did put 3 of the cream flowers, and that's just to cover the foam. So this is all personal preference. So I'm just going to go ahead and complete this. So the next step is to add this flower, also from the Dollar Tree. I did just pick out the one with the glitter, and I'm using 4 of them in the front part of my centerpiece. Next, I'll be adding my acorn. I spray painted it gold, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply some hot glue to that. And that is going right there at the bottom of my centerpiece. So I'm using only 4 of the acorn. And here is the final result of the first DIY here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. I think this turned out absolutely beautiful. Let me know what you guys think about this first centerpiece here. This is so beautiful. You can place this on your dining table. You can place it on your coffee table if you have a big coffee table. I just placed it on this ottoman so you guys can see how beautiful it is. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. How would you make yours? So let's go ahead and get started with our second DIY. This is going to be a glam shadow box. I'll be using this leaf bowl that I got from the Dollar Tree. So I spray painted it white, and I'm going to go ahead and use this paint here to add my gold trim around it. And here it is here after the first coat, and here it is here after the second coat. And I'll be using the Harvest Metal sign from the Dollar Tree along with a pack of acorn that I've already spray painted gold. I'm also going to be using this 11 by 14 shadow box that I already have with this poster board from the Dollar Tree. That will be the background of my shadow box. So here's my acorn here and my leaf bowl. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just string my light around my shadow box. So I'm using hot glue to place that all around my shadow box. Next, I'm placing that paper onto the back of the shadow box, and I placed my bow into the shadow box, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip it around and close that up. Next, I'll be placing the harvest sign to the front of my shadow box, and I'll be using hot glue to do that. And that's it, guys. And here's the final result of the shadow box here. I really love the way this turned out, and it really goes well with my style. What do you guys think about this? I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. It is definitely a glam shadow box. It is different. I just love the way this turned out. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. Let me know if you're Team Centerpiece or Team Shadowbox. So let's get the conversation going down in the comment section. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIYs. If you did, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, I'd love for you to join the Moji Style family by hitting that subscribe button. And until next time, you guys have a blessed week. I love you all. Bye-bye.